Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make broth powder. First, begin with a high-quality liquid broth, either homemade or store-bought. The key is to dehydrate it thoroughly. You can use a food dehydrator set to around 140 degrees Fahrenheit or your oven on its lowest temperature, perhaps 170 degrees Fahrenheit, with the door slightly ajar. Spread the broth thinly on parchment paper or silicone mats. This process can take several hours, even up to 12 hours, depending on the thickness and humidity. Ensure it is completely brittle. After your broth is completely dry and brittle, it's time to turn it into powder. Carefully break the dehydrated sheets or chunks into smaller, manageable pieces. Then, transfer these pieces to a spice grinder, a dedicated coffee grinder, or a powerful high-speed blender. Process the dried broth until it achieves a very fine, uniform powder consistency. This step is crucial for easy rehydration and to prevent any clumping later on. Continue grinding until no large bits remain. Proper storage is essential to maintain the quality and shelf life of your homemade broth powder. Once ground, transfer the powder immediately into an airtight container. Glass jars with tight-fitting lids or vacuum-sealed bags work wonderfully. Store it in a cool, dark, and dry place, like a pantry or cupboard, away from direct sunlight and moisture. When you are ready to use it, simply mix about 1 to 2 teaspoons of the powder with 1 cup of hot water for a delicious, instant broth. Making your own broth powder offers numerous benefits. It provides a highly concentrated source of flavor and valuable nutrients in a compact form. This homemade powder is incredibly convenient, saving significant space compared to storing many cartons of liquid broth. Plus, it is perfect for camping or quick meals. You can also customize your powder by blending in dried herbs like parsley or thyme, or even a pinch of garlic powder, before the final grinding step for unique flavor profiles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.